guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, so today is Sunday here. So we just came home from church. So now I need to cook a food for our lunch. So what I'm gonna cook is chicken gizzard adobo. Ayan. So yung gizzard, akin mo nang hinugasan ng maigi. Ayan, binabad at ni-squeeze ko muna sa vinegar bago natin pinakuluan. Ayan. So, papakuluan lang natin, lalagyan natin siya ng, what we call that? Bay leaves. Ayan. Bay leaves. Pinakuluan ko lang siya sa konting tubig. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt. Ayan. Ganon. Bago natin tuluyang lutuin mamaya. So, ganyan lang yan. Ganyan lang. We need to add a teaspoon of salt. Ayan. So, sana yung ating panukat. We need a panukat. Dami kaming chicken gizzard eh. Wala nga lang siyang chicken liver. Mahirap maghanap ng chicken liver eh. So, ito lang yung ating yan. Pinapakuluan ko na guys. Kumukulo na actually. Ayan.
Come and get your love.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come and get your love.
Yo, yo.
Come and get your love. What's the matter with your hair?
Get away! Get behind me, you disturbance.
What'd you say?
Get behind me, you disturbance. So, ganyan lang kasi mamaya maglilinis pa ako ng bahay. Pagtapos magluto, kakain, tapos kakain, kapag nabusog na, then proceed tayo sa paglilinis ng bahay, pagpalit ng beddings, ganyan, mga pillowcases. Ganyan ang buhay ng housewife, guys. Ayan. Enjoy muna natin yung ating pagiging housewife habang wala pa tayong another opportunity na binibigay si Lord. Everything is in the right timing. We don't need to rush things. So, while waiting, let's just enjoy. We don't need to rush things like gusto mo na agad magtrabaho nung dumating ka dito. I mean, hindi naman. Kanya-kanya naman tayo. We are different. We have different mindset. But for me, I better take it slowly than rushing things. One day at a time. Sabi nga, it's a step-by-step process. We have different timelines. You don't need to rush things. If you want to rush things, then it's up to you. Better to be patient, and then because hindi lahat pare-parehas ng sitwasyon, hindi lahat pare-parehas ng Ako po ay talagang every moment of my life here, I enjoyed na lang kasi isa naman i-pressure yung sarili at ikumpara ang sarili sa iba. O, diba? May kanya-kanya tayong may sabi nga, kanya-kanya tayong nilikha ni Lord. Meron tayong meron tayong uniqueness. So you don't have to compare your life situation to other people. Nag-i-enjoy ako sa buhay ko ngayon bilang housewife, bilang may bahay. Kasi lahat naman ng bagay na ito sa mundo ay temporary lang. So if you pressure yourself, malayan mo na lang in the end na hindi ka pala nag-i-enjoy sa buhay. So ang importante dito sa mundo ay yung masaya tayo, nag-i-enjoy tayo, may kapayapaan. Yun ang importante sa mundo. Diyos ko, Lord. Kasi kapag tayo namatay, sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes, lahat ng bagay na pinagpaguran natin sa mundo, hindi natin nadadala sa langit. Hindi ko naman sinabi na masama maging mayaman. Pero ayun nga, be patient. Kapag hindi pa para sa'yo, hindi pa yan bibigay ni Lord. So, patience is a virtue, sabi nga. So, ito na guys. So, kuha tayo ng sili kasi ilalagay natin to sa ating, ayan, may hinog na. Ilalagay natin sa ating adobo na gizzard. Ayan. Lalagyan din natin yun ng chicken thighs. Ayan, o diba? Perfect na perfect to. Siguro sobrang anghang nito, guys. Ito naman, nag-crave na ako. As in. So, let's gisa-gisa na in our... Can I have the wooden spoon there?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Or would you rather have the spatula?
I like this. Ayan na guys, gisa na natin ang ating chicken gizzard. Gizzard na lang. I will not include the chicken thighs. This is all. You want to add chicken thighs in this or no? I think gizzard is just enough.
Up to you, sweetie.
Why? Why it's up
You want
to
chicken
me?
thighs in it?
I don't know.
We can. Or we can save them for another meal.
Yeah. Ay, kabango. Waiting for your love. Yan na guys, add na natin.
Taste that too. When you get a second.
You smell it, Chubby Bunny?
I do. Smells delicious.
You know, your wife knows best. That's why I love being a housewife. I enjoy my life being a housewife. This time, yeah, time will come that I will be no longer a housewife but a working mom. But right now, I'm enjoying myself, you know. It's a matter of enjoyment in life that you will not feel bored.
Yeah.
So, this is it na guys. Luto ng ating chicken gizzard. Ayan, palaputin lang natin ng palaputin pa ng konti. Ayan, tapos pwede na natin ahunin yan. Guys, papatayin na natin yung ating stove. Luto na yan. Maganda to yung mga ganito. Oh, yung may sauce siya ng konti. Ayaw ko na masyadong tuyo. Ayan, sarap oh. Ooh. Yan. Para medyo, pag nilagay natin sa kanin, talagang masarap siya. May sarsa. Check natin yung ating rice kapag luto na. Ay, luto na guys. Pwede natin kumain. Yan. Kunti lang dapat yung kanin ni husband kasi diet natin siya. Kunti lang. Ayan, ganito lang karami yung kanin niya, ha? Ayan. Kumain na lang siya ng maraming adobong gizzard. Ayan. Sa akin, ganito lang. Mamaya, dadagdagan natin to kasi minsan, takaw tingin lang ako eh. Alam mo yung gusto kong maraming kanin, ganyan. Pero, minsan hindi ko naman nauubos. So, yan lang muna. Diba? Para hindi tayo magsayang. So, ito na. Guys, hanggang dito lang yung video ko for today. Kakain na kami ni husband. Ayan, kasi naghihintay na siya. Gutom na yan. Gutom na rin ako. So, till next time guys. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless us all. Bye!